Hey y'all, I found this really pretty wreath and I want to doctor it up. So y'all, I'm gonna take that wreath and a little bit of burlap, maybe just burlap, and get it fixed up. Start with our bow. We're gonna make our tail a little bit longer, so about 12 inches on one side. All right, we're gonna go about 5.5 inches out. And then on the top side, we're gonna cut it a little bit shorter. In that, we're going to put in a little bit of raffia. Y'all, now look, the trick on your raffia bows is not to put too much raffia, or it's gonna turn into looking like a hay bale. So don't do that. So we have an 8-inch tail going to the top, and about 5.5 inches coming out to the side. All right, so between every layer, we're gonna go with 1 layer of raffia. After a few layers, we're gonna put our raffia right in the center. For the center, I'm gonna fold it in half and then tie a knot. And that knot is gonna sit on the opposite side here. Y'all, so we just wanted enough raffia to give it texture, but not make it look like it's been rolling around in the grass, right? So y'all, look how pretty this is. Y'all, whenever I make a find like this, all I'm gonna do is go through here and kind of lift up just a little bit. To give it a little bit more texture. All right, y'all, now I'm just gonna find a spot to add our bow. One of the things that we try to preach to our students all the time is to work smarter, not always harder, right? So this is a good example of that. Buy something that is almost completely completed and make it your own. All right, let's get it fluffed out a little bit. Now, y'all, look, if your bow doesn't pucker up like this, then your twist tie is not tight enough. Now, all of these, I'm gonna come back and trim these in just where they're barely sticking up further than our ribbon. Just nice and simple. I think I'm gonna turn it a little bit more this way. Look how nice, simple, and pretty.